here from Hedgehog's Homestead. How is everybody doing? My potato experiment didn't go very well. They're starting to die off and I think it's just too cold for them. So we are going to see if we have any potatoes in these. So I'm going to bring you over. We're going to dump them in this pool where I grew my sweet potatoes successfully. Check out that video because sweet potatoes in a kiddie pool, awesome, worked great. So let's check these out. I think I put these in a little too late and they may have died too soon. So they may be not have any potatoes at all, but we'll check it out. Here we go. One bucket. Oh my goodness. Well, at least we have one potato, two potatoes, three potatoes, 4, 5. You see little baby ones. 6. And we would have had more if we would have planted earlier. There's our seed potato. No more on there. There's our seed potato, just little tiny ones. But hey, from 2 potatoes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 potatoes. So there you go. It's a lot drier. The seeds are stuck to the bottom. Okay, well, there we go. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I grew these in compost soil that I got at the store. 8, 9, there's my seed potato. That's a seed potato too, I think. Yeah. Okay, so there we go. So we have 9. Not hopeless, better than nothing. These were potatoes that were going to rot in the house because we weren't eating enough. So, and they were organic. That I purchased at the store. There's some. I can't complain, guys. If I planted nothing, I would have nothing. Isn't that awesome? This is enough potatoes for Christmas dinner. Little tiny ones. Okay, there's the seed potato again. My last one over here. So these grow bags worked pretty good. Growing a little bit longer, but I'm getting these dying ones picked out. There we go. There's the seed potato. Now I know that these would have grown longer if the weather was nicer, but that's okay. Something is better than nothing, guys. Here's another seed potato. Those seed potatoes still have some life in them, so I'm just tossing them in here. There's nice worms in here. So, whew. This one didn't have as much root area, but still, look at that, guys. Look at that. There again, there's our seed potato. That still has life in it, so I'm just throwing it in this, in here, and we'll take those out to the homestead and just dump those in the compost. So that will be good. And I'm going to take these empty containers and they'll go in the tiny home. We'll save them for next year. We'll probably bring so there you guys go. That's what I got out of there. A bag of potatoes. So from there's probably 6 potatoes. I got more than double what I planted. And I did that late in the year. And I did it in a time where we just weren't eating potatoes. So I said, I'm gonna plant those. And so I did. And that's what happened. Now I have these ones left. They're starting to die off. I don't know. I might wait a while to pick those ones yet. I'm gonna go ahead and water them really good and see if I can get some more growth out of those. Because the rest of them I did start pretty much later. I think I'll take this one more of this one right here and see what's in there. But the rest of the ones that are in the buckets and stuff, I'm just gonna leave. And we'll see how much that next one will yield us. There's some more. There's our seed potatoes. This one was planted later, so I'm not expecting a whole lot. Okay. There's our seed potato again. So that one was planted later, so I'm not expecting a whole lot out of the rest of those. But if I didn't plant them, they would be rotting in the house. They'd end up in the compost, probably trying to grow something inside my compost because they want to grow. These were organic potatoes that I bought at the grocery store. So planted late, but we still yielded something. So I deem this a success because we still yielded something. So you guys have a place in a cool area, like a basement floor, and put them out level and let them dry with the dirt on them, okay? You wash them right before you eat them. So they will stay the longest that way, and our potatoes that we get on the store that are all cleaned off and all of that stuff, they rot quicker because they don't have that protection. So we're gonna let them seal off, and we'll keep them in the garage, probably here, and then we'll let them, when we're ready for them, we'll just wash them off. So you guys have a great and wonderful day, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. God bless. Bye.